In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your weight on MyFitnessPal with a simple and easy walkthrough. Whether you're tracking calories or keeping an eye on your fitness journey, recording your weight regularly on MyFitnessPal is a great way to keep yourself accountable and make progress towards your goals. To get started, you'll first need to open up the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. If you haven't already installed the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've got the app open, you'll be greeted by the login screen. Go ahead and click on the login option. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're entering these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it using the Forgot Password link available on the login page. After you've entered your details, click on the login button again to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the app. At this stage, you should see various options and features designed to help you track your meals, exercise, and more. Look for the option labeled Progress, usually located at the bottom or middle of the screen depending on your app version, and click on it. This is where you'll be able to track and record details related to your weight. Here, in the Progress section, you'll want to locate the plus sign, which is your gateway to adding new data entries. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to input your current weight. Key in your weight as accurately as possible, ensuring you're using the same unit of measurement each time for consistency. This makes it easier to track any changes over time. In addition to recording your weight, MyFitnessPal offers the option to add a progress photo. While this is entirely optional, adding a photo can give you a visual reminder of how far you've come in your fitness journey. To do this, simply follow the prompt to add a progress photo by selecting an image that best represents your current state. Finally, once you've entered all your data, whether it's just the weight or weight with photos, click on the check mark to save your entry. This will update your progress stats and adjust your profile data accordingly. And that's it. Recording your weight in MyFitnessPal is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your diet and exercise regime. Regular updates keep you informed and motivated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips in future videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content.